Hello fellow scratchers, in this episode I'm going to show you how to get cat blocks in Scratch, which happens in every block such as my block as well. So we're going to make these two and even more blocks have Scratch blocks on them. So to do this, I want you to go to your Scratch add-on here. Go to this page and I want you to click on search. Now I want you to search Scratch cat blocks, or you can type cat block. So as you can see here, we have this cat blocks which brings the editor cat hats blocks from April Fool's 2020. You can click and add this to your Scratch project. So when you refresh your page, let's say after you saved it, when you refresh your page, you can see that cat blocks has appeared, and every time your mouse cursor touch its ears, you can see that the ears blink and flip. Now you also can make their eyes look towards your mouse pointer. To do that, go back to your Scratch settings and click on this Watch Mouse Cursor. Now I want you to turn this on, and when you refresh your page, you can see that all these cat blocks can see your mouse pointer, not just these blocks, even such as translates, nope, music, nope, such as makey. You can see if you drag this block up, you can see that you have all of them have cat blocks, and all of the cat eyes will look towards your mouse pointer. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I hope to see you in the next video. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell notification. Thanks for watching guys. Bye!